In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your HP Smart Tank 5103 printer. First step is to go to your smartphone and open the HP app. You will see your printer, that is 5100 series. Select it, scroll down, go for the option printer setting, that is here. Click on the view all, select the option advanced setting. On the HP website you will see the option settings. Scroll down, click on the restore defaults. Again scroll down, click on the option restore factory defaults. Now it will ask you to enter the printer pin number. To know the printer pin, you can just open this section and the pin is just written behind this door. You just have to enter that pin here. Close it and then click on the submit. Again it will take you to the option restore factory defaults. Click here and confirm it. The printer is restored successfully. You will see the lights are gone. Printer will restart. Now your printer will not connect to the Wi-Fi because it is disconnected and it is reset to the factory defaults. Once your printer is ready, you can just reconnect it to the new Wi-Fi network. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. There are many issues that can be fixed by just resetting the printer. Thanks for watching.